Phytoplankton are microscopic, plant-like organisms that live in the water. They are the foundation of the food chain in the ocean and freshwater ecosystems. They produce about half of the oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere through photosynthesis. There are three main types of phytoplankton. Diatoms are the most common type of phytoplankton. They have a hard outer shell made of silica. Dinoflagellates have two flagella, which they use to move around. Some dinoflagellates can produce toxins that can be harmful to fish and humans. Cyanobacteria are the oldest type of phytoplankton. They are also known as blue-green algae. Phytoplankton need sunlight, nutrients, and water to survive. They are most abundant in the photic zone, which is the upper layer of the water where sunlight can penetrate. Phytoplankton blooms can occur when there are large amounts of nutrients in the water. These blooms can be harmful to fish and other marine life if they produce toxins. Phytoplankton are an important part of the Earth's ecosystem. They play a vital role in producing oxygen and providing food for other organisms. Here are some additional facts about phytoplankton. There are about 5,000 known species of phytoplankton. Phytoplankton can be found in all bodies of water, including oceans, lakes, rivers, and even puddles. Phytoplankton are so small that they can only be seen with a microscope. Phytoplankton reproduce quickly, so their populations can fluctuate greatly. Phytoplankton are an important food source for fish, zooplankton, and other marine organisms. Phytoplankton play a role in the global carbon cycle.